Hi, everyone. Congratulations on successfully navigating to the Start Here video. Please make sure you watch this video until the end. If you exit the video early, it will not be marked as complete in Canvas. So sometimes a video will pause, and that is on purpose. There's nothing wrong with your internet or the video. The video pauses when there is a question you must answer or a note that you must acknowledge. It's important that you answer the questions correctly so that you earn points toward video grade. So the video will play again after answering a question and you press continue. The video is now going to pause with your first question. All right, now, throughout this course, it will be necessary for you to complete assignments in Canvas. You must work from the modules to access most assignments. So I'm going to show you two ways to access the Canvas modules for this course. So here I am logged into Canvas. Now what you see on the dashboard here, these rectangular figures, they're called Canvas tiles. So you just want to scroll to find the one for the course you want to enter and click on it. And then on the left here, there's going to be a list of links. One of them reads modules. Click on modules. That's the first way to access the modules for this course. The second way, I'm going to go back to the dashboard. On the left side, there are a number of icons. And if you hover over the icons, one of them will have a pop-out titled courses. So if you click on that icon, again, you'll get a list of courses. Scroll to the course you want to enter. When you find it, click on it. And then again, you'll see a list of items for the course. Click on modules. All right, now in the assignment schedule for this week, you are required to complete the 2 intro modules. So let's review them. All right, so I'm going to go into my student view. All right, now when I'm looking at modules, I prefer to click this button here, the collapse all, before I start looking at modules. And it allows you to scroll more quickly to the module you want to open. So if I wanted a module way down here, I don't have to scroll as much because the modules are collapsed. All right, now I'm going to open the module that I'm interested in. So the intro modules are the Start Here and the Register for MyLab and Mastering. All right, so I'm going to open the first intro module. Now here I have my first item on the right. The Start Here video has a check mark. So that's what you'll have when you complete this video. It shows it's been completed. The second item here, if you go to the right, there's an open circle, which shows it's not been accessed, it's not complete. The third item here, it has an open circle as well, but it's kind of gray looking. And the reason it's gray is because you don't have access to it yet. It's locked. And each page or item afterward also is gray looking. So all of those items you don't have access to yet. They're locked, but they will open one at a time as long as you go through the module in order. All right, so let's try it. I'm going to click on the second item. Okay, let's pretend that we just read this. You'll do this when you do it. All right, the third item, you can read that when you do it. And the fourth item says introduce yourself. Now this one requires you to actually do something. So you're going to introduce yourself. So the way you'll do that, there's a button here. You click reply. Okay, introduce yourself to the class, etc., etc. Then once you finish writing your introduction, you're going to post reply. All right, so I'm not going to post that. I'll go back to the modules and let's see what happened. All right, notice the first, second, and third items, we have check marks. The fourth item still has an open circle because I actually didn't submit it. Okay, now if we scroll a little further down, notice there's a syllabus quiz. So the questions are meant to be very straightforward, but please make sure you have the syllabus open or printed out while you're going through this, and use it while you do the syllabus quiz. Okay, now sometimes students will try to do this. So I'm going to go back to the home page. And notice to the right, there's a to-do list, and they'll try to access the syllabus quiz from the to-do list. And notice here, it says it's locked. This quiz is part of this module and hasn't been unlocked yet. That is on purpose, okay? So if you attempt to open the syllabus quiz or any other assignment from the calendar, the gradebook, or to-do list, it's likely the assignment will be locked. The way that you unlock an assignment is by going to the modules. Here we go, going to the modules and working through them in order, which means you have to introduce yourself first, go through these items, and then you'll be able to get to the syllabus quiz. All right, so I'm going to close Intro Module 1, that's the start here, module. The second intro module, Register for MyLab and Mastering and Other Technology, is here. During this semester, you will be working in 2 different websites, Canvas, which is what we're looking at now, and MyLab and Mastering. Now, directions on accessing the MyLab and Mastering website are in this second intro module. It's actually at the very top of the module. Please read the directions before attempting to register. You paid for access to MyLab and Mastering through your tuition bill. And the directions that I posted will show you how to access this website without paying again. So please, please, please do not pay for it when you register. Please read these directions, okay? All right, so when you work through this module, there are a number of helpful things here. And at the very end, there's 2 quick assignments that you'll need to complete as well. All right, I'm going to minimize the second intro module. So there's the first one. There's the second one. Those are the 2 intro modules. Okay, after the intro modules are the modules for your homework. These modules have assignments you will need to complete each week. Again, I'm going to open the first one. This is the module for homework 1. Notice there are items in this module that are gray. Once you complete the intro modules, the homework 1 module will open right away. All right, so you will get access to the homework 1 module once you complete the intro modules here, okay? Lastly, I'm back at the home page for the course. Here under Contact Me, there are discussion board links. Okay, there's one for pre-semester and week 1, and then there's one for after week 1. All right, so I'm going to open one for you. Okay. This discussion board, use this to post general questions and helpful comments. Anyone in the class can answer a question if you know the answer, as long as you are respectful and kind. Please do not post confidential information on the discussion board, though. So a lot of times students will have the same question, so it is helpful to post it on the discussion board so that everyone can see the question and the answer to the question. Okay. All right. Now, just a reminder, make sure you watch this video until the end. You're going to see something that says you're done or a similar message, and then you'll know you're finished. All right. So I'm looking forward to a great semester.